We get DMs and emails basically every day for people asking to customize our products, but we just don't do it because it's so hard to do that at scale. But there's one time a year we do, and it's made to order March that just started today, where you can fully customize all of our products, different thread combinations, leather combinations, different panels, whatever you want. And we do them in batches, so each week has a different product that's going to be released. It's going to take us 2 to 3 weeks to really get these orders out because they're fully custom. So thanks for your guys' support. Check out Made to Order March below. It's always a good day in the shop when we get a package. This is a pair of boots that MSCHF is making. They've done some boots in the past with the big red boots that we reviewed. I think it's the only boots that I've reviewed of theirs. Allegedly, this is another pair of boots and there's no photos released yet. This is complete. I have no idea what this is. And so this will be a really fun unboxing because most of the time I do unboxings, I kind of know what's coming or a general idea. But MSCHF sent this without any information. I asked, like, don't show me any photos, don't show me anything. I just want to like open it up. And not that I'm not that reactive of a unboxer, but like it's still more fun for me if I don't know what it is. And if you don't know who MSCHF is, they're kind of like this art collective consumer business where they really spoof and they really play with a lot of the, I don't know another word than like the zeitgeist of a lot of things, like especially footwear, but they've done everything from like websites, computer programs to like in-person stores. But the thing that seems to be maybe the most lucrative for them or gets the most attention or something, that there's a reason they keep dipping back into the sneaker well. That's kind of what they've done where we've really focused on them is the gob stomper, where it's multiple layers of multicolored layers. So as you wear it down, it's like a little everlasting gob stopper. We've done the big red boot. I didn't do any research before I sat down and recorded. I didn't even think about what we've done with MSCHF, so I don't remember. So here is a list of all the videos. MSCHF is fun because they do these really wild boots and shoes and products, and they really do it in this art collective way where they're trying to make a splash. The whole goal with it is to make something so wacky, it goes viral and it creates this storm of media for, I'm sure, for their own profits and selling their products, but also it's that artistic side that they really delve deep into, of like trying to disrupt the social norms, trying to poke the bear, trying to upset a few people just to cause some chaos, because that's a lot of what art really is, at least some of the art that I really enjoy. And so I like MSCHF, and a lot of times people are like, you went too light on MSCHF, nobody wear those shoes. I'm like, yeah, that's what they do, is like they make ridiculous stuff. And so I love MSCHF's footwear and everything they've done. I'm trying to think if there's anything else you need to know about this, because I don't really know anything else about it. Yeah, I think that's it. Pretty short unboxing. If I'm already to the unboxing, usually I ramble for 20 minutes. So let's do the unboxing. And what knife do I have? This is, what is this brand that we just unboxed? Demco. It's Demco. Demco knife with the like smoke scales on it. And I swapped the blades. This is like more like a blunt blade. I'm not like a huge knife guy, so I don't actually know what I'm talking about. But that's the knife I'm doing for this unboxing. Because this is a fun knife. I've actually really enjoyed this. I like this little action. So let's unbox it. Let's do it. Let's get to it. Apparently Demco's like a pretty popular knife brand. That's how little I know about knives. It's like a Demco. I don't know this guy. And then we made fun of Brody. Brody's probably editing this for taking the knives out to the back pallets and just getting this close to nails, stressing everybody out. I don't actually think he hit any nails. I was convinced he did, but then when I looked at the footage again, and I think he, by some miracle, missed every single nail, because I didn't see any chips in the blades either. Turns out he was just wildly accurate at testing knives. Let's see what we got here. Okay, from the outside, it looks like this is either like a Doc Martin tread pattern or a Vibram. So this got me, this has me intrigued. Okay. My guess is it's a spoof on Doc Martens. It's gotta be, right? Because Doc Martens is big enough, it's a big enough brand that they can get it makes sense to be like an artsy, like we're gonna make fun of these, poke the bear and see what we can come up with. Ooh, I love these logos, the multi-directional logos. Nice touch. I don't know what it has to do with what's inside the box. I'm trying to like figure this out. I'm doing some Sherlock Holmes deductive reasoning. The logo's backwards and forwards. What would a Doc Marten be backwards and forwards? If I nail this, everyone's gonna be like, he knew, he totally knew. There's footprints on the box, backwards and forwards. You can't make a backwards boot, really. I don't know, I don't think you can, it's not interesting enough to reverse the outsole. God, what do they do? What could they spoof on Doc Martens? I don't even know if it's Doc Martens though. I could be way off. Forwards and back, upside down and right side up. Slide to the right. It has to have something to do with that. It has to be like something's reversed. Reverse, reverse. Dang it, I don't know. I can't think of any ideas. I gotta come up with one guess. Okay, my guess is it's gotta be an upside down Doc Marten boot where you must lace. Oh, I don't know how they do that though. My guess is an upside down Doc Marten boot or a reverse boot of some kind. Like maybe your foot goes in the toe and the shaft of the boot is like a big elf shoe or something. That's my guess, which is a terrible guess. Okay, now it's hopefully the real unboxing. Let's see how off I was. Ooh, they came with individual bags too. Okay, I'm gonna get these out. Oh, I think I was right actually. I think I was right. Let's find out. Oh, it's not even. Ooh, I was almost right. That's funny. That's wild. That's cool. I like that. So let's go around and have each person guess what you think MSCHF has done. Hey.
Something to do with timberland.
Why do you think that?
Lugs.
Okay. Daniel?
I think it's an all metal shoe.
Ooh, good guess.
Aluminum, maybe.
Josh?
All croc and heavy sole.
Okay. Guess.
Metal on top. I don't know. I'm gonna guess like a boot shoe hybrid. I think it's gonna be a knockoff of like a hiking boot or something.
Keaton?
I don't know, I want to say like makes me think medieval, so something metal medieval.
I have no idea. Maybe like a platform croc or something.
Okay.
I don't know. But they're really cool outside.
Rhodey?
I'm thinking a platform mega lug, but then also it's gonna have an outsole on top.
Sam?
Oh, I feel like it's a work boot, but kind of like Brody said, it's gonna be like all sole, like sole on top, sole on bottom, sole on sides, side sole.
Yeah. Okay, time to unbox it, and whoever's closest gets an H and a B, which stands for hot and a bev.
It's not metal.
And Brody and Sam. You guys all kind of pieced it together.
That is actually sick.
Crazy. Is it made out of rubber?
Yeah, the whole thing is rubber. It's kind of crazy. So it is upside down, but not quite the way I thought. And it's not even Doc Martens, it's Timberlands. So this is a spoof on Timberlands, or like a art play, whatever you want to call it, whatever fancy word combination to describe what MSCHF does. An upside down Timberland boot. It's all rubber too. It's like a rubber boot. Like all this up here is rubber. These little star accent eyelets is a nice little touch. I like that. It's cool. These are wacky. I kind of like them though. They kind of look like knight shoes, you know, like a knight in nubuck armor type of shoes. They're so silly. They're just the most ridiculous stuff. The thing that I don't understand is how they get the factories to make this kind of stuff, because you know we work with factories when it comes to our physical goods that we make here in the shop with the leather harnesses, belts, wallets, camera harnesses, and it's pretty hard to get factories to do what you want. You know, even with the collaborations, most of those collaborations, I'm like, here's 100% my idea, and a lot of times there's no way they can make it, and so it ends up being like 2/3 of the initial idea. But somehow MSCHF gets away with seemingly get exactly what they want every time, because this is ridiculous. Even up to the tongue has like the footprint on it. But what's funny is I don't think this is the Timberland tread, is it? No, it is this. I'm pretty sure it's like a rubber, like bouncy ball consistency outsole that has like this. That's it. So we're gonna cut this thing in half, and the video for it's either out or it should be out. I don't know, because we haven't recorded it yet, because I just unboxed them. But we're gonna cut it in half and really see if this is another example of MSCHF actually making a well-engineered boot where you can wear it and it's this ridiculous thing, but it's not just a piece of art, you can actually wear it. Or is it some like some of the other shoes that we've seen where it's like, yeah, you can't really wear this. It's mostly just an art piece. You know, the Wavy Baby, tough to wear. Big red boots, probably shouldn't wear them, but you can, and they're well-engineered. And so that's kind of my question with this. Is this just a visual gimmick, or can you actually wear this? Are we gonna see the celebrities and people like wearing these around? Because I feel like when celebrities wear this kind of stuff, half the time I'm like, I'm not convinced they know what MSCHF is, and like they get the whole angle of it. Sometimes I feel like they're doing it unironically. They just saw like other influencers wearing it, like, I gotta get a pair of those, gotta keep up with the Joneses. So shout out to MSCHF for giving us a little early access to show you guys and do a little unboxing. It's fun for me. I love doing this kind of stuff. Unboxings are so freaking easy to do. So anytime you guys wanna see me unbox something like this or any other products, let me know, because I like it. It's fun to do. It's it's easy. It allows me to not have to script it out and like worry about the algorithm and worry about the key points of this and this and this. It's just fun content to make. So thank you guys for all your support. Check out MSCHF if it's already out or it's about to be released or something, and check out this video if it's already released, about to be released, I don't know. So thank you guys so much for everything you do. This year's been a really wild year so far, but it's just getting wilder and wilder. We got lots of really fun stuff planned throughout this month. We're opening up our products for full customization. It's the one time of the year we do it. So if you want a custom like harness or a wallet and all these different colors and threads, now's the time to get it. So check it out below if it's live, and check all the other stuff out below. So thank you guys. See ya.